Evaluate 4 plus a bracket of 4 plus open parentheses 3 times 4 close parentheses, close the bracket. All right, so we have two grouping symbols in all these operations, so I need to use the order of operations, which I like to use PEMDAS. Now, what does PEMDAS stand for? PEMDAS stands for do everything inside the parentheses first. Now, parentheses and brackets follow the same rules, so we have to be very careful with this. We'll talk about it when we have to. Then you deal with exponents. Then you multiply, divide left to right. It doesn't mean you always multiply first. It doesn't mean you always divide second. You just go left to right and then go multiply, division, whatever order you have. Same thing with addition, subtraction. So it doesn't mean you always add first. Doesn't mean you always subtract second. It just means you go left to right if you add or subtract. Now, if we have more than one parentheses, or in this case, a parentheses within a bracket, you work inside the innermost parentheses first. So what I'm going to do first is the 3 times 4, which becomes 12. Now you drop down everything else you haven't touched. So the 4, the plus, the bracket, the 4, the other plus, and the other bracket. Now, if you're done everything inside that innermost parentheses, you deal with the stuff inside the bracket. So do 4 plus 12 first. 4 plus 12 is 16. Drop down the 4 plus. Now, since I only have one more thing to deal with, and I'm done with my parentheses, I have no exponents, looks like I'm not multiplying or dividing anywhere, all I have is just an addition problem. So 4 plus 16 is 20.